Good morning, Leo. Today is a beautiful day. We are going to the city library. The city library?
Yay! I love books. But Uncle Barnaby, look at the map. It is very far.
Yes, it is far. Too far to walk. We need to take a vehicle. We can take a taxi or a bus.
A taxi or a bus? A taxi is expensive. Let's take the bus. The bus is fun.
Good choice. The bus is a great idea. Let's go to the bus stop. The bus stop is over there. Leo, this is the bus stop. Do you see the sign?
B-U-S. Bus.
We need to check the schedule. The schedule tells us the time. Look, the bus comes at 9 o'clock. What time is it now?
It is 8:55. We have 5 minutes.
We have to wait. Yes, we have to wait. Waiting takes patience. Do you see the bus yet?
I see it. I see the bus. It is blue and white. Here it comes.
The bus is stopping. The bus is stopping.
Yes.
Stand back, Leo. Wait for the doors to open. Wait. Let people get off first. Always let people get off before you get on. Okay, they are off. Now we get on.
Hello. Hello, Mr. Driver.
We must pay the fare. The fare is the money for the trip. 2 tickets, please. Rip, rip. Hold the handrail, Leo. The bus might move. Safety first. Let's find a seat.
Look, empty seats. Can I sit by the window? Please, Uncle Barnaby? Ah!
Yes, you can sit by the window. Sit down properly. Put your bag on your lap.
Wow! The bus is fast! Look at the trees! Look at the shops! Everything is moving!
It is a bumpy ride, but it is fun.
But it is fun! We are going to the library.
When we get near the library, we must press this button. It is the stop button. Oh,
I
see the library.
I will press the button. Ding! The driver knows to stop now. Good job.
The bus is stopping. Let's get ready to get off. Don't forget your bag.
Yo!
The bus is stopped. Wait for the doors to open. Now we can get off. Watch your step.
Yo!
Mind the gap.
The gap!
Step down carefully.
Goodbye, Mr. Driver. Thank you for the ride.
Always say thank you. Wow!
The library is huge!
Look at those big stairs.
1, 2, 3. We're going so many steps.
It is good exercise. Let's go inside. Shh. We must be quiet in the library. People are reading. Speak softly.
I found a book. Dinosaurs. I love dinosaurs. Can I borrow this one? Reading is fun. Time flies when we read.
We have been here for 2 hours. Look at the clock. It is 5 o'clock. The library is closing soon. We should go home.
These books are heavy. Very heavy. My arms are tired, Uncle Barnaby.
I know, my boy.
Oh, no!
Look out outside!
Oh! It is raining!
It is pouring rain. Yes, it is a storm. A sudden storm. We cannot walk to the bus stop in this. Your books will get wet. And they are heavy. We need a different plan. I have an idea. Let's take a taxi. A taxi will come here to pick us up. A taxi? Oh.
Is it expensive?
Yes, a little more than the bus.
But it keeps us dry.
To get a taxi, we hail it. Raise your hand high. Wave like this. Say, taxi!
Taxi! I see a yellow car. It has a light on top. Is that a taxi?
Yes, the light is on. That means it is vacant. Vacant means empty. It stopped.
Good job, Uncle Barnaby.
Let's get in quickly. Put the books in the trunk. They will be safe there. Now, jump in.
Whew.
We are inside. It is nice and warm.
Dry and cozy.
Safety first. Fasten your seatbelt. Listen for the click.
Click. Hello. Where to?
123 Maple Street, please. Near the park. What is that box? The numbers are red. It says $2.50. That is the meter. It counts the fare. The fare is the money we pay for the ride.
Look at the rain! The wipers go swish, swish. The taxi is fast. Red light.
We must stop.
Even taxis must stop at red lights.
We must wait.
Hey! The car is stopped, but the money is still going up. Why?
Ha ha! Yes! In a taxi, time is money. Waiting costs money too. That is why taxis are expensive.
I like the taxi.
It is like a private car.
Just for us. No strangers.
Here we are, 123
Maple Street.
safe and sound. Let's check the meter. The total is $12, much more than the bus.
Here is the money.
And keep the change as a tip.
Oh.
Thank you very much, sir.
What is a tip?
Extra money to say thank you for good driving. Don't forget the books.
Thank you, Mr. Cheetah. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Now let's go inside. It is nice to be home.
I am tired.
But today was fun.
Bus and taxi. 2 ways to travel. The bus is cheap and slow. The taxi is fast and expensive.
Right, I remember. Excellent memory. You learned a lot today. Drink your cocoa.
Thank you, Uncle Barnaby. Good night, everyone.
See you next time.